Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Card Kit of the Month video. In order for me to send you this card kit right to your Canadian mailbox, all you have to do is enter this host code when you're shopping with me. It's that easy. There's more information about this card kit and my loyalty rewards at my blog, sunstampin.com. This video is coming out really late for you guys. I totally apologize. It should have been out on the 1st of the month, but things got in the way and this was the only time I could produce it. So here it is. We are having a crumb cake card base, and that is for everything. But these are the papers, and I think they are called Symbols of Fortune, and there are two strips that you need to attach to the basic white card here. And these two strips, I have many of them, so you will be able to swap out the design that you like the best, and then just adhere it to the white card. So now I'm using the Paradise Palms, and you will find this on page 25 of the mini catalog, along with the stamp set and dies that actually go with the paper. It's a suite. It's called Symbols of Fortune or Crane of Fortune bundle, and the Good Fortune dies. And let me tell you, it's a beautiful set and dies. I haven't got it yet, but it's on my list. I have to craft like on a budget, like you guys all do too. But the happy birthday sentiment actually comes from the Paradise Palms stamp set, which is becoming quickly my favorite. And here's an oldie but a goodie. So I wanted to pick something botanical out, and so that I can stamp on the card base, because I hardly ever do that. And I'm pretty sure that everybody and their grandma has this Forever Fern stamp set. If you don't, the link is in the description bar below so that you can go and find it for yourself. And I also have no problem stamping over the crease. So I know some people are like, oh my gosh, why didn't you mask it off? With something like this, it doesn't really bother me. Actually, I think it adds to the feel of this card. Botanical, somewhat overgrown, more natural, very organic. So I have decided to use the leaves just because, like I said, I wanted it that the organic looking. And you know what? Don't sweat it. Whatever you got in your stash will work for this particular card kit. And if you're shopping with me this month, I totally appreciate your business, and I certainly do hope that you enjoy these card kits. This one, I'm just going to put these two strips and then the happy birthday sentiment. And pretty much that is my card for today. So here's another option. And then I have a whole bunch of little strips of the, let me just double check the name, Symbols of Fortune 12 by 12 Specialty Designer Series paper on page 23. Again, you can see all the supplies I used today listed below in the video's See More section or in the supplies section of my blog. And those fast links will take you to my Canadian online store. I would love the chance to meet you and earn your business. So thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.